everyone, welcome back to Travel 101 and welcome back to another travel advice video. So we're guessing you've landed on this video because you are considering booking a ticket with Jetstar. Jetstar is one of the most popular low-cost carriers in Australia. They fly over 5,000 flights a week and have been operating in Australia since 2004. Now, I know if you jump online, you definitely see a lot of mixed reviews, as you can see. Now, from looking at these reviews, you can obviously see there are a lot of mixed reviews on interior and on comfort, and that is obviously just personal preference. So what we're going to do today is focus on value for money, because as you know, with a lot of low-cost carriers, the flights can start off quite cheap but can end up quite expensive. So we're going to show you how you can get the most value for money flying with Jetstar. So if you're ready, let's just dive straight in. So one of the great things that Jetstar offers is a buy now, pay later option, which means that if you see a great sale, you can actually buy your ticket now, even if you don't have the cash right this second, and pay it off over 8 weeks. There is a small surcharge, but as I said, it's a great way to snap up a deal if you do see one and you know you will be needing to book a flight eventually. Another thing they offer is actually a price beat guarantee. So if you do find a similar flight flying at a really similar time, they will actually beat it by 10%. Obviously, another way that you can save money is by not having any checked baggage. But this is not the case for a lot of us, and we do actually need checked baggage. So my top tip for this would actually be to book your luggage when you actually book your ticket. You are able to add luggage on as you go and closer to when you actually depart, but it will be a little bit more expensive. And if you do decide to add luggage on at the airport, it will be the most expensive. So it is always a good idea to pre-plan if you are generally someone that needs to travel with a little bit of extra checked luggage. Now, Jetstar does allow all customers to bring on 7 kilos of baggage. Now, as I mentioned earlier about the checked luggage, of course it is best to always purchase it beforehand. But I just want to give you a little bit of a warning, because if you are slightly over, you will actually need to pay at the gate, which will be 2 to 3 times more than what you would have initially had to pay. Now, they do weigh all your bags, and this has happened to me on multiple occasions. At the gate, someone's been there to double check everything is 7 kilos and below. So as I said, just add luggage on at the start. It is going to be the cheapest when you first book your flight, so definitely pre-plan this and consider it. Jetstar does have a great selection of meals on board the flight that you can purchase. They are in line with a lot of other domestic airlines in Australia, so you will be paying a few dollars more than if you were purchasing something from a convenience store or a supermarket. Now, they do offer great meal deals, which is a good way to combine a drink and a meal together, which is a hot or a cold meal. So if you are looking at buying a meal on board the flight, maybe consider one of their combo meals. They roughly range around $10. Overall, I would say Jetstar is really good value for money. Obviously, if you pre-plan things like add luggage on when you first book, take advantage of their sales by using the buy now, pay now option, and also use a 10% price beat guarantee, you can definitely save a lot of money by booking with Jetstar. Now, obviously, if you've had a different experience, we'd love to hear about it. Please share that in the comments below with the Travel 101 community. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We cannot wait to see you in our next video.